The Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs recently accepted receipt of 10,000 doses of the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine from the government of the United Kingdom following a handover ceremony. National Immunization Manager Tekla Jabatis says she's extremely grateful for the donation of the vaccine, which will help to protect citizens against the COVID-19 virus.
The donation of these vaccines is timely. It comes at a time when the country has been out of stock for the past month. These vaccines continue to provide life-saving benefits to the people of Saint Lucia and increases availability to the eligible population as part of our national effort to reach population immunity and help bring in an end to this pandemic.
Resident British Commissioner Leslie Saunderson expressed her government's commitment to supporting St. Lucia's efforts to ensure that vaccines are available to the people.
And then in June last year, our Prime Minister pledged that the UK would provide 100 million vaccines, but not only by the middle of this year, but not only AstraZeneca. And 80% of those would be provided via COVAX, and the rest would be bilateral donations like the one we have here today. The Chief Medical Officer and I have been in regular touch since that pledge was made by our Prime Minister, while the Chief Medical Officer has been monitoring the demand and keeping an eye on minimising the wastage of stocks here in St. Lucia. And that's why we're here today, to deliver the consignment of 10,000 doses of Oxford AstraZeneca that St. Lucia needs now.
Minister for Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs, the Honourable Moses Jabatis, expressed heartfelt gratitude to the people and government of the United Kingdom for the generous donation of the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine and says it will play a significant part in the vaccination program.
The people of the United Kingdom continue to battle COVID-19. They are still at war with COVID-19. The people are still getting infected, and some people, unfortunately, have died. Yet they have found it possible to use their resources and to share their resources with us, even in the middle of this war. I wish to say how pleased we are and how grateful we are. All around the world, countries are recognizing and have recognized that we must all fight the pandemic together.
The AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine will be available to the public at the various wellness centers island-wide. Reporting from the Communications Unit of the Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs, I am Fernelle Neptune.